She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her feet.
Hey guys, it's Shiva and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new around here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and press the bell notification so that you never miss any update from me. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through my study routine in quarantine, like how I study during quarantine, how I stay focused, and all of that stuff. So let me just quickly give you a brief about everything. So I like to have around 3 or 4 study sessions throughout the day, like one in the morning, then afternoon, and then in the evening. I don't like to study at night, so that's why I do it in the evening, because I don't like to study in the night. That's not my thing at all. Like even during my exams, I never study at night. That's not my thing at all. So I think without any further ado, let's just dive right into the video. So let me just give you guys some study tips, and my first study tip would be to have a clean workspace. A clean workspace really helps in concentrating on your studies and focus better. So my second tip would be to have everything you need right in front of you on your desk, so that you don't have to get up every time you need something, or you don't end up breaking up your flow. So my third tip would be to have something to drink all the time with yourself, because hydration is very important. My fourth tip would be to switch off your phone. I know it sounds very heartbreaking, but it is very important for you to concentrate better, because if you're staying away from your phone, it's gonna be way easier for you to focus on your studies. Before actually starting my studies, I will go ahead and prepare a little to-do list for myself so that I can keep check on what I'm studying and what I'm doing today. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my physics. I will highlight all the important things that I feel like which are very important for my exams. And that's pretty much how I do physics. So as you can see, I'm using my new highlighters, the pastel highlighters which I've shown in my study hall, and I'm using them because I'm really in love with them. So guys, I'm done with my very first study session of the day. I studied for about 1.5 hours. Like that's the maximum I could do. I could not sit for like 3-4 hours and just study. Like I'm not that kind of person. I just can't do that. So I did 1.5 hours, and now my next study session is gonna be around in the afternoon. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch because I'm really hungry, and I'll meet you guys when I'll have my next study session. So bye guys. Hey guys, I'm back at it, and this is gonna be my second study session, and it's nearly about 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and this is the time I like to do chemistry because it's a little bit like theoretical. So this is the time I like to learn a lot. Like in the morning time I do physics because that's kind of hard, and in the night time I'm gonna give time to maths. So that is the plan. So this is my book here, chemistry part 1 of NCERT book, which I've showed you in my school supplies haul. So don't forget to check it out. It's already up, I know. So don't forget to check that out. And now I'm gonna study. The way I study, I thought I might give you guys some ideas so that you can also try out these strategies. So the way I study, I read the chapter once, and like without repeating any line. Like if I don't understand anything, I don't repeat it. I read the whole chapter at once, and then after that I study the whole chapter once again. Like if you can't read the whole chapter in one go, it's okay, no problem. You can break it into 2 or 3 parts and just do it in 2 days or 3 days. But then again I read the whole chapter, and this time with complete understanding, and I highlight every line which looks like kind of important to me. So I highlight it if it's important. So that's how I do chemistry. I do chemistry from my book of NCERT because I have boards this year. So NCERT is the most important thing for me. So yeah, let's just quickly start my study sessions so that we don't start procrastinating, and let's start. how do I put you guys? I want to put you guys somewhere, but I can't find a right tripod. That means I have to get my tripod. So guys, that was my second study session, which was again about 1.5 hours. Like, that's just my capacity. I can't do more than that. So I did chemistry, and my other, like, the last session is gonna be at night, like not at night, in the evening time. So I'll show you guys what I do, and I also have to take some Instagram pictures today, so I might show you guys that as well, but not really sure because this is a study video. So yeah, now I'm gonna go watch some YouTube videos, have some fun. I'll meet you guys when I have my next study session. So bye bye. Hey guys, so I'm back at it now, and right now, like I can't. Seriously guys, like I told you that I don't like to study at night, but I missed the evening session because I sat at my desk and I started editing my video at 3 p.m. and I edited that video till 7 p.m. Like 5 hours, I think that is. That's a lot. I edited so much, and then my brain was like, I was having headache. I was not okay because I was on my laptop for that whole time, and that was not okay. And I was not feeling fine, so I took rest, and now it is around 10:30 right now. It's night. I have to do this now because I can't leave it. And at this time, I just typically do whatever I feel like doing. Like, I don't have a particular subject this time. I do whatever I feel like doing, so I'm gonna do like whatever. I'll probably study for like 1 hour because it's already pretty late. And I think without any further ado, let's just finish this day and this last study session so that we can get over this and sleep. So let's just quickly do this. So guys, I'm finally done with my session number 3 as well, and right now it's 11:30 and I'm not sleepy at all. That's why I'm gonna go watch some YouTube videos because I woke up at 10 a.m. today, so I'm not sleepy at all. So I'm thinking that I would go and watch some YouTube videos and have some fun, or maybe watch my favorite show, The Vampire Diaries. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but not gonna sleep yet. I'll sleep around 12 because that's when I usually sleep. And so yeah, that was pretty much it. So in the morning I did a session, in the afternoon I did a session, and I did a session at night as well, although I didn't want it to. I wanted to do it in the evening, but I couldn't because I ended up editing the video, like my school supplies haul. Definitely go watch it. It is worth it. It's so good. Like, I just tried out new editing styles and stuff, so definitely go check that out. I'll link that in the iCard. This is what I typically do on every day in quarantine. This is my study routine. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like the video video, share the video and comment down below on what you want to see next on my YouTube channel. And also some good videos are coming your way, so do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on those videos. So that, you guys, is it for today's video. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.